It's been a minute, but I made an order. I went back to Farm Rio, and I went back to Farm Rio, and I went back to Farm Rio, and I got a dress. I'm gonna open it now. Just came in the mail. I ordered this like 2 days ago and it already is here right now. Today is Tuesday, March 19. And this is my newest Farm Rio dress, and I'm gonna try it on and share it with you. So if you're interested, then I hope you keep watching. So thank you so much for being here for another video, and I'm just gonna we're gonna see this dress together. Okay. This I ordered from Saks Fifth Avenue online. It was on sale. So this is my birthday dress. I'm gonna explain that. I decided I'm not gonna do a lot of shopping this year, but I do want to get myself some things for my birthday. My birthday is not until next month, April. But I saw it on sale, so I was like, well, let me just go ahead and get it. Here is the dress. I got it in a size medium. And I'm gonna link it below if it's still available. I don't know if it's on the Farm Rio site, but it might still be available on the Saks Fifth Avenue site. It'll be linked below if it's available. So I'm just gonna show it really quick. I don't even know all the features, but my favorite thing about this dress was the sleeves. That kind of sold me on it because it has this poof and then it gets skinny down by the forearm and the wrist area. So that has a little spandex there. And then this is where it gets poofy. And then it just has a high neckline. This is the back, so I guess the back is kind of wide open, but I will make modifications for that. And a decent length, it's midi length. And there's the pattern. I hope it's showing up. I'm gonna try it on now and we'll see how it looks. I'm gonna try to style it a little bit, so I'm gonna put on some shoes and everything, but we're just gonna see what it looks like. And I thank you so much for being here. Thanks for watching. And of course, I will see you with the next one. I'm wearing it with my Vince Camuto shoe. This shoe goes with so many things, but it brings out the green in the dress. So I don't know how many colors this shoe comes in. I kind of want to get it in more colors, but this green so far has been a win. Like I said, it goes with so many things. This is the shoe. It just has the buckle and nice classic green, and there's the texture of the shoe. And I really like how full the heel is because I can stand on this for a long time and I don't get tired because the heel is kind of full. It's thin, but then you can see it gets full at the bottom. And I think I got these from DSW, and if I have a link, I will put it below. There's the elastic sleeve. I love the length. Because it's a medium, I think that fits perfectly, so the sleeve comes down. I love when sleeves come down a little bit on the hand. And of course the puffiness, beautiful. There's just one button around the neck part. And as you can see, the back is open. And the waist is a little elastic right here, but it has this little section here where everything comes down, and this part just has elastic on the sides, and it fits really good. And then as you see, it kind of just swoops out. It has some layers. What Farm Rio is famous for, the little pleats where the panels connect. So there are 2 of those, and then 1 here at the waist. And this is of course straight out of the bag, so I did not steam it or do anything to it. It's showing its natural little wrinkles and ripples, but of course I would steam those out. But the pattern is beautiful. I think this is just a very nice pattern and lovely material, fits well, and just nice and airy and lovely. So just like a classic Farm Rio dress, there are also 2 structure pieces put in here in the back. They're about that long, and I'm sure that's just there to help the back to maintain its shape so that it has a little more of a structure, which I appreciate. And those same pieces that I mentioned that are in the back, this is them. almost like a very thick plastic is probably in there. Those pieces are also in the front right here. I didn't notice that until after.